It's on all the seats. It's only a couple of things I don't like about it that I didn't expect it out right to me is it does have driver AC, but it doesn't have the storage compartment or a fan. So that's the only thing I can say I don't like about it. Other than that, it's just fine. Well, it took a minute for that to crank up. Alright, driver dome. Probably can't tell it's on, but it's on. Pretty cool bus. Child check button. Oh, that's different. But I do like the little Bluebird name on each seat. That's pretty cool. Oh, it does have the foot pedal adjuster as well. You got a cup holder right there. You got the storage compartment right there. I guess that's makes up. Well, I guess they think that makes up for not having the storage compartment up there, but still prefer the storage compartment and the fan up there. Again, all your switches. And this is storage right here as well.